உன்னை தொட்டா உன்னுள்ளத்தை உருக்க மாட்டியோ என்னை போல பெண்ணை பார்த்து மயங்க மாட்டியோ கண்ணில் கண்ணை பூட்டி விட்டாய் சிரிக்க மாட்டியோ என்னில் உன்னை சூட்டி விட்டாய் ஒட்டிக்க மாட்டியோ कैसा शर्माना तुझे नच के दिखा दूँ मेरा हो जाए जो मैं पर्दा गिरा दूँ आ तुझे अखियों में अपने बसा लूँ आ तू ना नखरे दिखा Hi. This is Hamsika Iyer and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. Let's do Hungama.
Well, we have with us Chammak Challo. Yes, you heard it right. Hansika Iyer, the voice behind Chammak Challo, making Kareena Kapoor look so beautiful. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama.
Faridun, how are you?
Very well.
मेरा हो जाए जो मैं पर्दा गिरा दूं आ तुझे अखियों में अपने बसा लूं आ तू ना नखरे दिखा.
Your song is all over the place right now, singing along with Akon, and your portions, I think they're very punchy as well. How's the feeling?
I am extremely happy, and I still haven't, the reality has not sunk in that I've shared a duet with Akon, and this is something that I'm sure every artist would dream of. I think I was at the right place at the right time.
It is a bit of a surprise. You've been around for quite some time. You are a trained Carnatic voice. You've done many jingles. You haven't done those many number of Hindi film songs per se. To get such a big song, which has become, I think, a rage globally, how did that happen?
See, I know Vishal and Shekhar since a very long time, and iske pehle, before getting Chammak Challo, I have recorded one Telugu song for them in the past, which also did very well. As always, like I desired to, record a Hindi song for them, and I don't know, I think they just called me for this song.
Did Shah Rukh have any apprehensions? Because what happens is, it's like a huge film. It's like a 150-160 crore film. This is the flagship song. I think in many ways, Chammak Challo, wherever I think they're going for promotions, and one thing that comes immediately to mind, one thing which is a showstopper in many ways, is Chammak Challo. They must have known it before recording it that this song is going to become huge. Did they have any apprehensions? Did Shah Rukh have any apprehensions? Because आपकी voice बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन आप उससे पहले आपने कोई बहुत बड़ी हीरोइंस के लिए आपने प्लेबैक नहीं किया था.
Even I'm surprised actually, Faridun, because when I went to record the song, I just had fun, and I had absolutely honestly, I had no idea that mera आवाज़ रह जाएगा, because I was just wondering, it's such a big song, such a big banner film, and with Akon. So I was just very quiet after recording. Also, I was very quiet about it, and I just thoroughly enjoyed recording the song. And tabhi when I went, the Shah Rukh was not there, and only Vishal and Shekhar were there, and they just let me do what I felt like. Sort of composition to दे दिया उन्होंने, but then they allowed me to give my own touch to that, and I think it just worked. I don't know.
There is a portion which is done in Tamil in the song, and at the music launch, Shah Rukh was quite enthusiastic about it. He spoke about it as well. At a recent reality show, you performed.
Yeah.
And he came in, and he joined Hansika over there as well. Now, how did that Tamil line really happen? Whose idea was that?
I think Vishal and Shekhar's. Okay. And Niranjan has written very beautifully.
Dialogue writer and the lyricist of the film.
Yeah. Very cutely he has written those Tamil lines, and it is just beautiful.
Can you please hum a few lines, that Tamil as well as Chammak Challo?
உன்னை தொட்டா உன்னுள்ளத்தை உருக்க மாட்டியோ என்னை போல பெண்ணை பார்த்து மயங்க மாட்டியோ கண்ணில் கண்ணை பூட்டி விட்டாய் சிரிக்க மாட்டியோ என்னில் உன்னை சூட்டி விட்டாய் ஒட்டிக்க மாட்டியோ कैसा शर्माना तुझे नच के दिखा दूँ, मेरा हो जाए जो मैं पर्दा गिरा दूँ, आ तुझे अखियों में अपने बसा लूँ, आ तू ना नखरे दिखा।
ना 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 चम्मक चलो
आ तुझे अखियों में अपने बसा लूं, आ तू ना नखरे दिखा।
Wanna be my chummak chalo? Wanna be my chummak chalo? Hey.
You've been going all over the place right now. Have you performed at any shows as of now?
I just recently performed for the promotional thing with Shah Rukh at India's Got Talent.
Post Chammak Challo, I think the life, your life must have changed in, I think, a very positive light. Everyone would want to work with the voice of Chammak Challo. It definitely. So how the offers started coming to you post Chammak Challo?
People are calling up and they are actually pleasantly surprised that I could sing Chandare, and then they didn't expect me to deliver this. I have been doing sort of some wacky numbers in my, career, but then this came as a surprise, and people are realizing. I have got many calls from some very fine musicians.
And have you recorded for anyone?
I have recorded something for Shankar Ehsaan Loy, very beautiful song, but I'm just hoping, I think maybe in the next 6 months the movie should be out. It's Bonnie Kapoor's It's My Life.
Harman Baweja and Ginile D'Souza.
And also for Shankar Ehsaan Loy, अपना Nikhil Advani's one animation film आ रही है, उसके लिए some small portion.
Delhi Safari.
Yeah.
You spoke about Chandare, that is Vidhu Vinod Chopra's film. Shantanu Moitra's music is there in that. How did Chandare happen to you? Because I think it's picturized beautifully. That song, I think, flows very well as well. So, how did that happen?
See, I have worked extensively with Shantanu before Chandare.
Shantanu Moitra, the music composer of Three Idiots as well.
We have done a lot of commercials together. So, उसमें I think during that process he has understood my voice, and we have a very fabulous working relationship. When Chandare came, he composed that song, he called me up, he said that I want to present a song, so why don't we just try this in your voice. It so happened that ऐसे हम लोग, मैं सीख रही थी and गा रही थी, and the whole song is so casually rendered. We never, it was just a presentation and वही retain कर दिया गया.
Can you please hum Chandare for us?
चंदारे चंदारे धीरे से मुस्कान, हौले से पलकों में छुप जा, हौले से सन 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 सना, बादल के झूले पे खन 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 खना, हौले से बादल के झूले पे मुस्का, चंदारे चंदारे चंदारे
In recent times, one of your, I think, songs was beautiful in Stanley Ka Dabba, Jhoola Jhool. I think wonderful lyrics by Amol Gupte. That film had a very, very good response from the critics, and whoever saw that film loved it, in fact. How did that happen, in fact?
I have worked with Shailendra Barve in the past, who has actually he co-composed the song. I think he spoke to Amol Gupte, and they have heard my song that I've done for some play. Right. That also happened to be one Lori. I think I've become one Lori queen by now.
After Chammak Challo, you'll be item queen. I don't know if you like that term or not, that title rather.
Many people have asked me, so how do you feel singing for after having sung an item song? See, I feel the song is very stylish and it's not that on the face and very raunchy.
There's nothing wrong in an item song. People have this perception.
Honestly, वैसा कुछ भी नहीं. In fact, I really hats off to people who can deliver. That is true. That's a very different genre and very, very difficult, I think, to nail that genre also. But This is more stylish and more very peppy.
Can you please sing Jhula Jhool for us?
झूला झूल मेरे प्यारे आँख के तारे झूला झूल मेरे प्यारे आँख के तारे तुझको सुलाऊं मैं झूला झूल
क्या बात है, फैंटास्टिक.
मेरे प्यारे आँख के तारे तुझको सुलाऊं मैं झूला झूल.
How has your jingle career been, and how many jingles have you sung so far?
My advertising career has been very, very interesting, very nice. It's been now 10 years I'm into advertising. I think, see, that has happened because from childhood I have done on and off jingles as a child artist also, because my father retired as the creative head of Chaitra Leo Burnett. My mom is also a Tamil writer.
Sure.
Into advertising only. So that came naturally to me, and I've sung many jingles I've sung, but then some of the jingles that really got noticed was Sly's Arm Sutra's Russia.
Katrina Kaif's.
Yeah. And also some cute Johnson & Johnson's Ka Parde Mein Rehne Do, that the mother sings. It's nice. And then one very wacky number I did for Pradeep Sarkar, Sambar Atta Noodles, Maggi Sambar Atta Noodles. So I had to sing in a very South Indian style. It's been a very nice journey.
Can you please just, for those who are still not able to relate to Arm Sutra, maybe once they listen to Hamsika's fantastic voice, I think they will relate to it instantly.
रसिया आजा हौले हौले रस बरसा जा हाँ सांसों को महका जा रसिया.
क्या बात है, fantastic. That लहर that you hear in her voice, basically it's called श्रुतियाँ, जो कि अगर आपने गहरा रियाज अगर आपने किया हुआ है क्लासिकल म्यूजिक का, वो तभी आपको you can be blessed with that, otherwise you can't be blessed with that. Your idols like in singing as such?
Kishore Kumar. Kishore Kumar.
Okay.
Yeah, and I love Geeta Dutt, Asha ji and Lata and all. They're all institutions on their own. But somehow Kishore Kumar.
Please sing a Kishore Kumar song because it's actually interesting. A male voice and a female voice singing it.
सिमटी सी शर्माई सी किस दुनिया में तुम आई हो. सिमटी सी शर्माई सी किस दुनिया से तुम आई हो. ऐसा चला ला 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 ला.
क्या बात है.
ला 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 ला.
You captured the essence of Kishore's voice, I think, perfectly. In fact, fantastic.
तुझे अखियों में अपने बसा लूं, तू न नखरे दिखा.
That was Hamsika Iyer, the voice of Chammak Chalo, with us. She has spoken about the entire experience of Chammak Chalo, how she got it, how the entire recording experience was, the contribution of Vishal Shekhar, the music composers, and singing along with the icon, obviously. She has spoken about her various other songs that she has done so far in the film industry, like Chandare from Vidhu Vinod Chopra's Eklavya, Jhula Jhool from Stanley Ka Dabba, beautiful song. Maybe the film could have been better marketed so that more people have seen it. So that song even would have registered more. Her advertising career has been around for 10 years. It doesn't seem that she's been working for 10 years at all. She looks much younger than that. How a jingle like Aam Sutra for Katrina, I think, became really huge, and there have been many more jingles as well. We really hope that by the year end we get to hear many more songs from you in the film industry, and you make a mark for yourself, and in the coming years, both in terms of awards and rewards, and many chart busting numbers are coming up your way. And
you so
item songs are good. You should
Yeah,
do
of
more
course,
of them.
of course.
Thank you very much
Thank you
for being
so
on
much.
Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.